So, welcome to the next in our Empower Leaders series. And I'm absolutely delighted to introduce Todd Moyer, who's President and COO of Confluence today. And we're going to be talking about key trends in the asset management industry and how clients are partnering with Confluence for success. So, a big welcome to you, Todd.
Well, Jen, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here today, and unfortunately not in person, but
No,
pleasure.
well, yeah, we'll be raising a glass to you, and definitely looking forward to seeing you in May, back live for the 22 event. So it would be great to know a little bit more about Confluence and what you're doing at the moment. So where would you say Confluence is today? And I understand that you've just been acquired by Clearlake Capital, so that must bring some very special advantages. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure, Jen. We've gone through the next iteration of our ownership and our growth strategy with the addition of a great partner in Clearlake Capital. At the end of July, we closed on that transaction. And since then, we've really been focused on continuing our growth strategy. And this is really built on a 30-year history of building confidence within our markets and our clients that we serve. And so we're thrilled to continue that. And I'd say that today, working with the largest asset managers and largest asset servicers puts us in a very unique position to listen to the market in a different way. And our strategy will be to continue to grow our business by building great solutions, technology solutions, while remaining inquisitive for additional acquisitions. So thrilled to be partnering with Clearlake, and sky's the limit.
Sounds great. Really great set of opportunities. So kind of unpacking that a little bit, what do you see as being the key trends that are impacting your market and the ones that you and your team are kind of really focusing in on at the moment?
Yeah, the three key trends that we see in the markets we serve are around cost, consolidation, and ultimately the customer experience. And just to kind of hit on each of those, first, cost. This isn't a new trend. This is something we've all been seeing for quite some time. However, we have seen an acceleration over the past several months and years. And to us, cost reduction is really driven by a lot of the asset flow going to more passive and inactive, where the expense ratios just maybe aren't as large as they once were. So firms are going to continue to look to partner and build scale and efficiency into their operating models. And so that's going to be done by leveraging technology. So once again, cost is a key area of focus, I think, for our industry, but also for Confluence.
Yeah, definitely. So there's this kind of really clear trend for asset managers and service providers to leverage partnerships with kind of really innovative fintech vendors. Why do you think this is in particular? And how does Confluence partner with its clients specifically that is different to maybe some of its competitors?
Yeah, Jen, it's really going to be about global scale. And so efficiency is one thing, and providing technological solutions that meet the need, but really being able to bring a real global presence. Today, Confluence sits in over 10 countries and really has that subject matter expertise and really turning technology into solutions. That's a real key differentiator when we think about the cost trends and the efficiency that firms are really looking to drive into their operating model.
Yeah. And a final question, we're just coming out of this kind of incredible global economic crisis, health crisis. What is it that really excites you about the new opportunities and the new global economy as it is? Where do you see the fruits of optimism?
Yeah, we really see an opportunity to transform the ultimate asset owner and the customer experience. Really, digital is key. We all read about the robo-advisors and a lot of the ways that individuals want to interact with the data. And Confluence, for the last 30 years of our existence, have really focused on a data-first approach to technology. To us, it's turning data into knowledge and really enabling then better decisioning. So ultimately, to Confluence, we very much think about the digital customer experience, and that really being a key to transformation. So that's an area that we see real excitement in.
And personally, what is the thing that really excites you about this this new acquisition by Clearlake?
Yeah, tremendous consolidation in our markets. And I think that really creates opportunity. We've seen that trend amongst asset managers and asset servicers. I also see it amongst technology providers. And so when we see this trend and we see the ability to bring more value to our partners, we sit in a very unique position as Confluence to be a platform that really not only looks to build great solutions, but the acquisition piece will be critical to Confluence continued growth. So you'll be seeing more out in the market about Confluence's endeavors on that front.
Todd, thank you so much for your time. We will miss you in Monaco this year, but very much looking forward to seeing you face to face back in May for 2022. But in the meantime, thanks so much for your time.
Well, thank you very much, Jen, and really appreciate all the support.
It's a pleasure. Bye.
Bye-bye now.